looking for some healthy options today. Hey, you gotta treat your body well and like make sure that you are energetic and feeling good. Otherwise, it would be hard to sit there and work for hours. My ankles are hurting. Skateboarding with the boys yesterday. It felt good to get out there and move my body for sure, because that's the trajectory that I'm in at this point. You know, I really want to get healthy. I want to continue skateboarding. I think the pain and such is just like part of it. When you're there, when you're like healthy and agile, things get better. Here creating something, you know, trying to create an idea for Augusto's arm. Saturday out here is pretty wild. I thought it was gonna be a little bit dead, but as the day goes on, it's getting better and better. A lot more people and so many fucking killers, man. Like, I am truly inspired by all these people. They're definitely a huge thing. Tattoo conventions are a huge thing because it just pushes you to be better and to do the best you can to like maybe one day have the guts to like go and put your work on stage. Shai and I are tattooing. The whole team has been tattooing all day, so once we're done, we're gonna enjoy. We're gonna walk around, talk to the homies, and then maybe tonight we'll do a networking and go out to an after party. I don't know what's going on. Let us know what's going on, and Ink Journeys will be there for sure. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video, because this is how we help others get out of their comfort zone, get out there and enjoy life. This is what it's all about. Ink Journeys is all about sharing and showing people what they're capable of just through art. And whatever you do, don't be afraid. Get out there. These girls are literally fucking machines, bro. I don't understand. They're killing it. If you're in PA, fucking go. This is fucking sick people. Amazing.
Your client and
from VillainArts. Forever.
Anyone still tattooing is gonna get flagged.
Gonna get what?
I'm under contract.
Get slapped.
If you're still here at midnight.
2 minutes to spare. You did it.
Fuck, I'm going back.
Ozzy!
What?
I'm proud of you, bro.
Why, bro?
Killed it, man.
Thank you, dog. You killed it. Killed it. It was so fun. Thank you for giving me that, dude. I could have probably tried to do the same thing with the other lady, and it was gonna be way bigger. Baby! Hi, my love.
Baltimore at midnight. We're here outside the convention center. Streets of Baltimore. Midnight. Punches are being thrown. Over what? No one can know. Something petty? Certainly. Unimportant? Absolutely. Entertaining?
Yes.
Very.
Yo!
Let's watch.
That is the answer! Not worth it! Not worth it!
You a jealous bitch. You're a jealous bitch. It's okay. Get away.
Oh, it's a man.
I can't get that in your mouth.
It's a man?
She said you're a jealous bitch. No, it's over.
That's why sometimes you don't get into these things, man. These people are wild. I think he's talking about his girl. He's a woman beater. He's a woman beater, dude. This guy's
Drunk from non-alcoholic beer.
Shut up, you woman beater. Zero funds given.
Thank you so much. I didn't pick it. So, they picked it, but like I was telling them, like,
Things to not not do in Baltimore.
Yeah.
Don't take your fucking camera out after midnight.
Things that you do in Baltimore. You fucking steal the house wine.
Most of the time in life,
You're down and out
shit
now.
goes right, shit goes wrong. It's your attitude that determines everything.
Well, what you saying, bro?
You can fucking cry about shit
No, but, like, it's
and feel sorry about your life, or you can just fucking continue your fucking life, and that's it. Bad service?
Okay,
Oh wow,
but
cool.
honestly-
What are you gonna do? Leave a bad review? Cool.
I did.
Karen.
Will that fix your life? Probably not.
But you had fun?
I'm here now. Like
It's fine, you know, but you had fun here now?
Yeah, I'm like, I mean, like
best
fucking.
time, yeah.
It's like what? Like you're just gonna cry about it? You're gonna cry about it and
No,
fucking
don't cry.
like.
Andrew left.
Yeah.
Andrew left, okay? He left.
So you're acting like Andrew right now.
No, bro, I'm
Your
here.
friend was the smart one.
He was the smart one. He was the smart one from all of us.
See, you pick the restaurant tomorrow. It could be a vegan restaurant. It could,
No vegan options in the menu, bro.
Bro, you know what?
we're all Karens right now. We're all fucking
Oh my God,
Karens
we
right
are
now.
like-
Not me.
What?
Not me. That fucking guy is like.
This bitch.
No, listen, I apologize because this is like my hometown,
You
and that's
made
why
the
I
food?
apologize.
Your hometown sucks, dude. It could be worse.
I asked for a medium
It
steak and they
could
gave me
be
that
worse.
shit still mooing, dude.
That was a living cow. I'm really offended, dog. That's like the muscle still fucking like
Pulsating.
Yeah, like
That shit had a heartbeat, dude. That's like-
where are we going?
Home?
Yeah, let me get a.